Hi kids, class prep. Today we are going to do English reading from Sound Book 2. Now take out your Sound Book 2 and open page number 3 with me. This is your page number 3. Let's start our reading, but don't forget to put your finger on your book. Revision. Read. A rat, a rat. A box, box, a box. A man, a man. A dog, dog, a dog. A mat, a mat. A man, and a dog, dog. A man and a dog. A pot, and a rat, rat. A pot and a rat. Now we are going to do these sentences, but before doing these sentences, let's see the pictures. There is a cat, there is a mouse, there is a hen, there is a hut, and inside the hut a man is sitting. A mat, and on the mat there is a tin of jam, a pen. Now these sentences are related to these pictures. Let's start. Is the cat big, big? Is the cat big? No. It is not, not. No, it is not. Is the hen red, red? Is the hen red? No, it is not, not. No, it is not. Is the man in the hut, hut? Is the man in the hut? Yes, yes, he is. Now, can you see a full stop after is? This means that it is one sentence. Yes, he is. Now, next sentence. He is in the hut, hut. He is in the hut. I am not, not big, big. I am not big. I am not, not a man, man. I am not a man. The tin of jam, jam is on the mat, mat. The tin of jam is on the mat. The top of the pen is black, black. The top of the pen is black. Now sound these words with me. A rat, rat. Box, box. A man, man. Dog, dog. Pot, pot. Red, red. Not, not. Big, big. A mat, mat. Pen, pen. Now, your homework is that you have to do reading of this page 3 times and learn the spellings of these words and do dictation on your rough registers.